And now we're going to turn our attention to a rather hot topic of discussion. If you are in a personal injury accident, should you trust your insurance company? Well, local attorney Jed Dietrich is here with all the answers this morning. Good morning, Jed.
Courtney, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Great day to be a Buffalonian again.
It is.
I like to say that in the sunny days in October, because in a couple of months we're going to be fighting the rain and the snow.
Well, I'll see you out on the slopes, right?
And again, that goes into our segment here, because we're going into the bad weather season. And when you're driving on a rainy day or a snowy day, we have to remember to leave more room between you and the car in front.
Oh, yeah.
And if the people behind you don't do that and they rear end you, what happens? You're injured, you're in an accident. In the New York system, your own insurance company pays your medical bills. So you hear these insurance companies, I'm here to take care of you, we're here for you in your time of need. The problem is every insurance company is set up to maximize the return for their shareholders. And what does that mean? They want to minimize the payouts to the people who are injured under every circumstance. It's just the way it works. It's a confrontational business. So I say I'm here, the Dietrich Law Firm at 839-3939, to fight for you in this confrontational business. You need us to help you figure out which forms to submit, which we do on behalf of our clients, because your own insurance company requires you to submit forms within a very timely manner, within a short manner after an accident. So when an accident occurs, the first thing you need to do three things. Call the police and get a police report. You need to get to the hospital, and then once everything's stabilized, give us a call at 839-3939.
Can you give us some insight on how to handle some of these situations? You're right. It's snowy outside, you're in an accident, fender bender, whatever it may be. The insurance company is going to call you as soon as possible.
That's right.
They want to actually talk to you. Sometimes
Exactly.
this happens before you even get to the hospital.
Exactly. Yeah.
How do you handle these situations? What should we have in the back of our minds if this does happen?
I tell all of my clients the same thing. You do not have to speak to your insurance company right away. You can call us and we can handle all of that for you at 839-3939. We can handle all of the interactions between the insurance company and you to preserve your rights. And that's what I like to do. Get involved as soon as possible so people don't make mistakes with either going to the wrong place to get their car fixed or going to the wrong doctor who doesn't maybe take no-fault insurance, because all of the bills have to be paid by your own insurance company, as I mentioned before, and that's the no-fault system. Many primary doctors aren't familiar with how that works, and they will bill your regular health insurance company, which is a problem because at the end of the case, the other insurance company, the insurance company for the person that struck you, will get your records. And if it doesn't show you went to your primary doctor for your treatment because your regular health insurance paid for that treatment, it's a problem. It looks inconsistent. It's a red flag. We don't like red flags on any of these cases. What we like to do is get involved early to help people. We do free consultations, and we don't get paid unless there's a recovery for you. The fee in New York State is 1/3, and that's the standard arrangement. We're happy to work under that scenario, and we do that for our clients as a matter of courtesy.
And this is good to know because insurance companies, they do like to move fast, right? And this is where we can slow it down. And a big question is, should you talk to the insurance adjuster after you've just been hurt? What you're saying, that's not the case.
But we're happy to get involved and do it for you. And again, we do that to preserve your rights, because under the circumstances in New York, it's a confrontational business. You need someone to fight for you on behalf of your interests so that you don't get taken advantage of by the insurance companies.
Jed, thank you again.
My pleasure, Courtney.
Always great to have you. Such wonderful insight for us, especially moving into that wintertime season here as we're driving around Western New York. Now, everybody, you'll see at the bottom of your screen and coming up in just a little bit, there we go, the Dietrich Law Firm. Call Jed.com. That's all you got to do for Jed to help you. We'll be right back after the break.